Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Product. In today's article, we're diving into the best auto darkening welding helmet. If you're a welder looking for a perfect blend of safety, comfort, and advanced features, this product is for you. Let's get started. Product features. Auto darkening filter. The helmet comes equipped with a high-end auto darkening lens and 4 premium arc sensors. This allows users to adapt to different welding environments with ease. Whether you're operating ARC, MIG, or TIG welding, the lens shade and sensitivity can be adjusted to match the task. It features a light state of DIN4 and a dark state range of DIN 59913. Optimal eye protection. Safety is a top priority with this welding helmet. It provides automatic UV IR protection up to DIN 16 at all times, safeguarding your eyes from harmful glare and light during welding. This feature significantly reduces the risk of eye strain and long-term damage. True color technology. The helmet features a 1112 optical clarity lens with advanced true color technology. With a large viewing screen measuring 3.93 x 3.66, it offers superior visibility, enhancing precision and efficiency. True color technology ensures a more natural color perception, reducing distortion. Superior comfort. Weighing just 2 pounds, this helmet is 60% lighter than similar models, reducing strain on your cervical spine during extended use. Its dynamically adjustable headgear, equipped with breathable padding, ensures a perfect fit and long-lasting comfort. Built to last. Constructed from durable PP material, this helmet is shock-resistant and flame-resistant, making it ideal for heavy-duty work. It complies with ANSI's 87.1, EN 379 CE, and CSA's NIN 4.3 standards, ensuring reliability. Powered by a solar cell and a CR2450 lithium battery, it offers long-lasting performance and eco-friendliness. Pros. Advanced auto darkening technology. Provides smooth and adaptive shading transitions for different welding tasks. Excellent eye protection. Offers maximum safety with UV IR protection up to DIN 16. Wide viewing area. The large screen improves visibility and allows for better precision. Lightweight and comfortable. Perfect for extended use without causing strain or discomfort. Durable construction. Made from high-quality materials with compliance to safety standards. Eco-friendly power source. Solar-powered with a replaceable lithium battery for sustainable operation. True color lens. Enhances visibility and reduces distortion for accurate work. Cons. Higher initial cost. The advanced features may make it more expensive than basic models. Limited battery backup. While the solar-powered system is eco-friendly, reliance on battery replacement can be a minor inconvenience. Learning curve. Beginners may need time to familiarize themselves with adjusting the sensitivity and shade levels. Not ideal for very small tasks. The larger viewing area might be excessive for tasks requiring minute precision. This welding helmet offers an excellent balance of advanced features, safety, and comfort. Whether you're a professional welder or a hobbyist, its combination of cutting-edge technology and user-friendly design ensures a seamless experience. Check the price link in the description and subscribe to Tech Product for more informative reviews.